Safi. General, how are you? Jambo. How are you? Asanteni. This is now called texturizing. From this to this. Right now, this model is how to do the model.
The equipment we have been shown by some of the manufacturers, and leadership to give them an opportunity to use the talent they have and the education they have acquired. It's called middlemanism. There's a middle colleagues in the security sector know that we people briefcase carry the loss of the Kenyan taxpayers, and briefcase carriers and all these quangles opportunity to do what we have seen them do. For the life of all of us, we will say, finally, sir, you have it. Your Excellency, in this wonderful to now.
With only the Kenya Ordnance Factory providing a minimal domestic, offering decent jobs for our youth, and the resulting supply shocks, in order to free our country from the very foundation for addressing first and operating environments of the world. This will not only boost our government with this innovative initiative, can advance human capital, steel manufacturing, machine tools. To the company, I tell you that we must continue to invest in research and development skills and technology transfer, secure international subcontracting. Today, we add yet another arrow to our national security quiver. The project that we are commissioning breaks the mold by setting the stage for the progressive domestic manufacture of the security equipment used by our nation. Not only will this support our national security requirements, but it will also aid in national economic and technological advancement by creating local industrial capacity that can be scaled up to various other uses. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a game changer. Since our independence, Kenya has largely relied on imports for our firearms requirements, with only the Kenya Ordnance Factory providing a minimal domestic capacity. In the medium and long term, we plan to create a weapons manufacturing surplus that will transform Kenya into an exporter of security equipment to nations in the region and the rest of the world. This will not only boost our balance of trade position, but it will also create employment for thousands of Kenyans, in addition to creating a skills and technology environment that will drive transformation also in civilian industries. Ladies and gentlemen, with this innovative initiative, Kenya stands to reap economic benefits through the creation of backward linkages that will spur development, advance human capital, drive economic expansion, and fuel the modernization of Kenya's iron and steel manufacturing, machine tooling, production of precision optical and sensor equipment, and other related processes that are derived from weapons manufacture. Today we note with satisfaction that this factory that we have officially opened today has currently manufactured about 12,000 assault rifles based on a single shift, with 60% of the components being locally manufactured. I am also pleased to note the diligence of our security organs, for they have delivered this project well under budget. When we first conceived this project and we went out to seek people out there who could help us develop it, we were given quotes of up to 15 billion shillings. But by using our own local expertise, our own Kenyan citizens, we have been able to complete this project at a cost of Kenya shillings 4 billion, saving us a combined total of approximately 11 billion shillings. Hongera sana kwenu. Asanteni sana. Pongezi. At current production and demand levels, the factory is already self-sustaining. And over the next year, we intend to diversify our production lines to include 9mm pistols and 7.62 assault rifles. Within the next 5 years, we aim to have the capacity to supply all of Kenya's security agencies with their small arms requirements, with the capacity to expand into medium and heavy weapons production. I am confident that we will achieve our plan as long as we ensure proper investment in equipment, human capital development, and manufacturing capabilities. It has been done elsewhere successfully, and therefore with commitment that you have shown and an unwavering focus on the end goals, I also believe we too shall succeed. COVID-19 and the resulting supply shocks have without doubt taught us that international supply chains are fragile and indeed very vulnerable to disruption. And as with pharmaceuticals, personal protective equipment, medical equipment generally, Kenya has identified a compelling urgency to create domestic production, and this also applies to our security sector in order to free our country from the vagaries of international supply chain systems. So this groundbreaking initiative will allow us to lay the foundation for addressing first and foremost the high cost of weapons acquisition, free us from the complex foreign export approval processes currently in place, provide Kenya with greater security sector independence and flexibility, and allow Kenya to design and produce high-quality weapons customized to our unique needs and operating environments. By venturing into arms production, Kenya seeks to enhance self-reliance, domestic innovation, and the strengthening of local manufacturing capabilities, while at the same time, which I am most happy about, offering decent jobs for our youths. This is in tandem with the manufacturing pillar of our Big Four agenda, as well as our own Kenya Vision 2030.